Hello guys, today we'll look how to use Google Sheets as you did on MS Excel. So first of all you have to sign in on your Google account as I did, and then you have to click on this icon, and then you have to scroll down and click on this Sheets. So it will open this interface in front of you. So if you have just used any kind of docs on Google Sheets, then it will list it down here. So if you wanna create like new doc or blank doc, then you have to click on this blank. This will create new and fresh Google spreadsheet in front of you. So you can do any kind of operation and any kind of data entry as you can do in your MS Excel. So if you want to enter some data, you can enter here. If you want to enter some more data, then you can use other kind of cells here. And if you want to implement some operation, like you can select all kind of rows you want to select, and then you can right click and you can select the operation that you want to perform. Like you can cut, you can copy paste, and you can insert new rows, and you can delete rows, you can insert columns, new columns, any kind of thing that you wanna do, you can do here. So if you want to like open new sheet, you can go here in file menu, and then you have to click on this new, and then you can open the new spreadsheet, or you can open document, presentation, or other kind of stuff. And if you want to import some sheet from your system, then you can click on open, or you can directly import from here. Once you're done with your Google spreadsheet, you can download it in Excel format, in .ods format, in PDF format. So, and there are also other kind of operations like rename, move to trash, and move. There are also other kind of operations that you can perform. So if you want to edit something, you can go here, you can undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. And if you want to view something, you can go here tab, and if you want to insert, you can go in this tab, and you can perform the operation that you want. And here's the formatting of your text, and like you can bold, you can italic your text. So here's the data operations you can perform, here's the tools, and all kind of operations like that Google Excel provides, you can perform here. The most important thing that you can do here is you can change the permissions of file. Like if you want to share this file with someone, you can just simply copy the link and you can share the file with someone else. And here you can change the permissions of file. First of all, you have to like name that file. Okay, I named it, save, and then you have to change here permission. Like I can change the permissions here. You can add people and groups here. Like you can add emails of people who can access this file. Anyone with this link can now access the file. And then you also change the permissions, like anyone with this link, what can do, he can do view, comment, or edit. If you click on view, then anyone with this link just only can view the file. If you click on commenter, then anyone with this link can view and comment on your file. And if you click on this editor, then anyone with this link can edit your file as well. So you just have to copy the link. Now link is copied, and then you can share with anyone. So that's it for today. This is very useful tool of Google that you can use online without any kind of like opening MS Excel and heavy kind of software. You can simply perform your operations online. So that's it for today. If you have any suggestions, please comment down, and we'll meet in next video. Bye bye.